We're going to do the Dirt Bike TV rear fender sticker removal trick. We're going to heat the fender up underneath and get the sticker up. We just warm it up a little bit like that. Right off.
Hey, if you're looking for dirt bike parts, gear, anything like that dirt bike related, head over to our website or click on our link in our description below, or our link tree, and you'll be able to take you right to all of our top picks and much more to learn about anything you need for your dirt bike at RockyMountainATVMC.com.